Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha. If you're new to this channel, welcome and please subscribe for more videos. Today we are going to talk about, the topic of today is going to be about investment options. And as we have been doing a lot of videos on this channel, we have been talking about some of these options. So we will look at them today individually, and as you prepare to be an investor, so you have already do your research, open your account, and now you're looking into investing. So what are some of the investment options that you have that you can choose from if you want to start investing? So this is the next step once you have your account. So what are some of these things that you want to buy or invest your money in? So one of them is stocks and equity. So in this channel, I've been talking more about stocks and equity, what they are, what type of the stocks that I buy, and why do I buy them. So stocks or equity is when you buy a part of a company. So you're acting like a shareholder who owns part of this company because you put your money in there that is used for maybe developing the products or for marketing or all those stuff. So you're like part of that company. So you own part of that company. So, and because of that, you share its success. So whenever they make profit or they profit from their in business activities, they also think of you as part of their success. So if you did put your money in, so your money is used as capital gain, no, as capital that they use to run their business. So they also consider you too, and you have to share in their profit once they are paying it out, once they make the profit. So these are like some of the characteristics of stocks or equity. Another reason why you should maybe choose stocks to invest your money in, so you have variety of sectors where you can choose from. So you have a very big sector that you can choose your money from, different industries, different countries. So it depends on your experience. So like for industries, we have different kind of industries. So we have financial industries, we have energy industries, we have retail industries, we have health and wellness industries. So you have different varieties of sectors where you can choose from. You can decide to invest in the US and you live in Canada, so you also have that option. So asset classes, it can come in different ways. Like we have different kind of asset classes that you can invest in, right? So equities and stocks, they have so many advantages. So you just have to be comfortable trading them or investing in them. So you can also diversify your portfolios. And by diversifying your portfolio, in my interpretation, is when you not just only put your money in one sector. So if people put their money in financial industry alone, those people are not diversifying their investment. They are only invested in finance. But if they put in part of their money in finance, puts part of their money in the energy sector, they put part of their money in retail, they put part of their money in health, and then those people are more diversified than those who have just put it in one portfolio. And stocks investing also give you that opportunity to do that. Some stocks pay you dividend. So like I said before in some of my videos, there are some stocks that pay you dividend and others that only give you capital gain. So there are growth stocks and there are dividend stocks. And so these two, you choose which one is really where you want to focus. So for me, I just don't want to put my money there and have nothing. So I focus more on dividend stocks as compared to growth stocks. Like I don't own any of the Amazon or Google or Apple. So I don't have those kind of stocks, but I have some of the dividend stocks, like the major banks, and then like some of the energy industries, like Enbridge and TC Energy, and and then also on the real estate companies. So I also own those stuff because they are dividend. So my plan is to focus on dividend first, and then maybe later on, if I want the money, we can just sit for more than 1 year waiting for capital gain, and then I will start investing on tech companies like those of Amazon, Apples, and all those stuff. So some stocks pay dividends. So what do you really want to gain from investing in stocks? Are you interested in more dividend, or are you interested in capital gain? That will help you to decide which stocks you want to choose. So another investment option is ETFs. So ETF is a exchange traded fund. So this is not one individual stocks. It's where different companies, they come together and create a fund. So this fund is more diversified because you're not just only buying one individual stock of CIBC or Scotiabank. So you're buying a fund, and this fund can have part of finance inside. It can have part of energy companies. It can have like health companies inside. Can also have tech companies inside. So it's a fund that is pulled together, and it is more diversified because if something affects finance, it might not also affect energy sector. So it's more diversified, more safe, and more stable than the individual stock. So if something hit the financial industry and CIBC is going down, it can also affect the other companies too, other financial companies too. So ETF is more safe, more diverse, and I also use ETFs as my investment option. So I own some of the ETFs like BDY. I also owned XEI. I also own some of the XIC. So those are like example of ETFs. So they are investment fund. They are traded like stocks, and then also they are more diversified than than the individual stocks. So exchange traded fund, they are more diversified, and you can use it to diversify your portfolio when you don't want to just mitigate that risk, right? So if you diversify, you have some part of individual stock and you also have ETFs. So you cannot just lose everything all at once because all companies will be affected at different time. So ETFs, they also cost efficient. So like the broker that I use to buy my stocks, like Questrade, they do not really charge commission when you're buying ETFs. So it's another way of saving money. So if they don't charge you $5 per every transaction, it's like you're saving $5 per every transaction. So they are cost efficient when it comes to investment. So the last one is options. So this is the one that I don't really have any experience in it. I have never buy any option because most of the time they are for experienced and sophisticated investors. Those who already have the experience with the financial market They know what it is. They know how to deal with volatile situation and all those stuff. For people who are flexible, people have some extra money to lose. Or if they have experience, they might not have to lose anything, but it is for experienced investors. But if you want to just go ahead and buy them, so the choice is yours, but that is also another investment option. So people who invest in these ones, they take advantage of volatility of the price, and they will profit in that market because they know how it works. So they will maximize their profit. They can also log in the market gain by participating in that volatility stock price. So it's just for more experienced people. But these are three investment options that are very common on Quest 3. Other companies like banks, they give mutual funds, which are also investment options that people have. And then they also give GICs. GICs, they're also like investment option. And every investment option has their own advantage and disadvantage. So if you want to invest, so you should do your own research and see which one really works best for you. And if you come up to that conclusion, you can now put your money into your broker and then start buying stocks, or maybe start buying mutual fund or index fund or GIC or even precious metals. So there are a lot of investment options that you have out there. And this is the end of the video. And if you like this video, you can subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time.